Hyperuniform disordered systems, or HUDs, are materials that appear disordered on a small scale but exhibit long-range uniformity, meaning their density fluctuations are suppressed over large distances. This unique combination of disorder and order gives HUDs remarkable properties, such as the ability to manipulate light, sound, and waves in ways traditional materials cannot. For example, HUDs can create photonic band gaps, which are regions where light of specific wavelengths cannot propagate, similar to how crystalline materials behave, but without the periodic structure. This makes HUDs ideal for applications like transparent display screens, advanced solar cells, and soundproofing materials. Imagine a crowd of people randomly scattered in a room, but spaced so evenly overall that you could predict the average density in any corner. This balance of randomness and order makes HUDs versatile for designing materials with tailored optical, acoustic, or mechanical properties, opening up new possibilities in materials science and nanotechnology.
Introduction to Hyperuniform Disordered Systems, HUDs. Hyperuniform Disordered Systems, HUDs, are materials characterized by a unique structural arrangement that combines short-range disorder with long-range uniformity. In HUDs, density fluctuations over large distances are suppressed, resulting in an overall uniform distribution despite local randomness. This balance between disorder and order leads to unique physical properties, making HUDs distinct from both crystalline and amorphous materials. HUDs can manipulate waves, light, sound, or other forms of energy in unconventional ways, enabling new material functionalities. Example: a HUD composed of randomly arranged particles can exhibit properties similar to photonic crystals, such as photonic band gaps, despite lacking a periodic structure. Analogy: imagine a crowd of people scattered randomly in a room, but with an uncanny uniformity in their overall spacing, creating a balance between randomness and predictability. Defining hyperuniformity. Hyperuniformity is a mathematical concept describing systems in which density fluctuations decrease at large scales. Unlike typical disordered materials which show large fluctuations over long distances, HUDs exhibit suppressed fluctuations, leading to a uniform distribution. This is quantified by analyzing the structure factor, Sk, which approaches zero as the wave vector k decreases, indicating suppressed fluctuations at low spatial frequencies. Example: in 2D HUDs, such as colloidal particle arrangements, the structure factor at small k values is much smaller than in random distributions, demonstrating hyperuniform behavior. Analogy: hyperuniformity is like having a randomly shuffled deck of cards, yet every subset of cards contains an even mix of suits. HUDs in photonic materials. In photonic materials, HUDs can form photonic band gaps, regions, where specific wavelengths of light cannot propagate. This behavior arises from the interference of light waves scattered by the material's structure, even though it lacks the periodicity of traditional photonic crystals. HUDs provide the flexibility to create isotropic, directionally independent photonic band gaps, which are challenging to achieve in periodic systems. Example: HUD-based materials have been used to design transparent display screens that allow light of specific wavelengths to pass while blocking others. Analogy: HUDs in photonic materials are like frosted glass that scatters light uniformly, but with a fine-tuned structure that selectively blocks certain colors. Scientific explanation. HUDs can also manipulate sound waves in ways similar to their effects on light, creating acoustic band gaps that block specific frequencies of sound. This makes them ideal for applications such as soundproofing, noise control, and advanced acoustic metamaterials. The disorder in HUDs prevents the directional scattering effects seen in periodic systems, allowing for isotropic control of sound propagation. Example: HUD-based materials have been developed to attenuate low-frequency noise in architectural designs and transportation systems. Analogy: HUDs in acoustics are like custom earplugs that block only the most disruptive noises while letting other sounds pass through. Scientific explanation. The unique structural organization of HUDs also imparts unusual mechanical properties, such as high rigidity combined with lightweight construction. By tuning the local randomness and long-range uniformity, researchers can design HUDs that exhibit tailored stress distribution and enhanced resilience under mechanical deformation. Example: HUD-inspired materials have been proposed for lightweight, impact-resistant panels in aerospace engineering. Analogy: HUD-based mechanical materials are like spider webs, seemingly random in structure but optimized for strength and flexibility. Scientific explanation: the ability of HUDs to control wave propagation and scatter makes them promising candidates for energy applications, such as solar cells and energy storage devices. By tailoring the scattering of light within a HUD-based material, researchers can enhance light trapping and absorption, boosting the efficiency of photovoltaic devices. Similarly, HUD-inspired designs in electrode materials can improve ion transport and energy density. Example: HUD-based films have been used to improve the efficiency of thin-film solar cells, enabling more efficient energy capture from diffuse sunlight. Analogy: using HUDs in solar cells is like designing a forest canopy that perfectly traps sunlight, ensuring no energy is wasted. HUDs can be fabricated using techniques like self-assembly, 3D printing, or colloidal deposition, where particles or units spontaneously organize into hyperuniform configurations. However, achieving perfect hyperuniformity at large scales remains a challenge, as small deviations in particle size or distribution can disrupt the material's desired properties. Advanced computational methods and precise control of fabrication conditions are critical to overcoming these challenges. Example: HUDs have been created using self-assembled colloidal suspensions, where particles form disordered but hyperuniform arrangements after evaporation. Analogy: fabricating HUDs is like baking a perfect soufflé. Small imperfections during preparation can ruin the uniformity of the final product. In nanotechnology, HUDs provide platforms for designing nanostructures with unprecedented control over optical, acoustic, and mechanical properties. Their disordered structure eliminates the anisotropic effects seen in periodic materials, enabling isotropic behaviors at the nanoscale. This makes HUDs suitable for developing devices such as nanophotonic waveguides, biosensors, and nanomechanical resonators. Example: HUD-inspired nanophotonic devices have been used for biosensing applications where isotropic scattering enhances sensitivity to biological markers. Analogy: HUDs in nanotechnology are like all-terrain vehicles, optimized for performance in any direction regardless of the underlying landscape. The study of HUDs is still in its infancy, but their potential to revolutionize material design is vast. Researchers are exploring applications in quantum optics, metamaterial design, and adaptive camouflage technologies, where their unique wave manipulation capabilities can be harnessed. Additionally, the mathematical principles underlying hyperuniformity are being applied to study biological systems like avian photoreceptors and tissue organization. Example: HUDs are being explored as templates for quantum dot arrays, where controlled disorder could enable robust and scalable quantum computing architectures. Analogy: the future of HUDs is like a toolbox filled with customizable instruments, each tailored to solve complex material science challenges in entirely new ways.